Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can add your domain in Resend so you can basically send emails using your own domain. So let's begin the video. First of all, I am going to log into my Resend account. Once logged in, on the left I will click on domains and I will click on add domain. Here you need to enter the URL of your domain. So my domain is this one. Your can be .com or anything else, and it is showing you a preview as well. Your name, your email @ yourdomain.com. So this is it. Then you need to select your region. If you don't know, you can check your domain provider. You have advanced options as well. After that, click on add domain. Now here it will show you a total of 4 different records which you need to add in the domain settings or DNS settings of your domain. So for that you are going to sign in to your domain provider from whom you have purchased your domain. In my case it is Namecheap. So in Namecheap you will click on domain list, and once you have your domain, click on manage. We will click on advanced DNS. Obviously the setup will be a little bit different depending on from whom you have purchased your domain. We are going to scroll down, and here we are going to add those 4 records. In Resend, first of all we have a TXT record. So here it shows the host, the value and the TTL. We are going to copy the host, go to Namecheap. Here under host records, click on add new record. We are going to choose TXT, the host that we just copied. Go back, copy the value, paste it in the value section. TTL is automatic, and click on save changes. Once this record is added, I will add the remaining records as well. Once you have added all the TXT records under host records, now we need to add the MX record, which cannot be added here. So if we scroll down, you will see mail settings. Click on this drop down and select custom MX. Now you can see it is an MX record type. We are going to go back in the type MX, click and copy the host, paste it here. We are going to copy the value, paste it here. TTL is automatic, and for priority you can see it is set to 10. So we are going to enter 10 right here, and we are going to click on save changes. Once all the 4 records have been added in the DNS settings of your domain, go to Resend, click on I have already added the records, and now it will actually check whether all the records are present. Basically this is verifying whether you are the owner of this specific domain or not, and the process may take some time. Sometimes it takes minutes, sometimes it can take up to 48 hours or 2 days. Here you can see DNS is verified, and now it is verifying our domain. Also you can see the DKIM value has been verified, and now it is verifying the SPF values. So all of these values are verified now. You can see my domain is verified. So once your domain is verified, you can just simply click on domains, and now you can see it is showing verified, which means you have successfully connected or added your domain in Resend. Now you can go to API keys, generate your API key, and use your domain with Resend to send emails in your code. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like it. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.